have illegally gotten into the forest and divided for themselves.
Jiangwen omaki kaunti ma Kisii kaluwore kod kuo mar transfoma e gwenge ma Marani, Mosocho kaachiel kod Nyaribari Chache. Achiel kuom jiangwen go ma bende ofweny kod apisas mag obila mag okwach kicho yangi ni wuok e kaunti ma Nyamira. Jatend obila e kaunti ma Kisii Charles Kases olero ni pod gidhi nyime kod apedha ne jomaundu mamoko. Meneja mar kambi mar Kenya Power e gwenge mag Nyanza Dan Obiero owacho ni Kisii kaachiel kod Migori oseyudo lal mag transfoma 14 e dweche 2 mokalo. Achijego ibiro tere do odiechieng' ma kawuono.
Of late, we have had instances where people come and bring down transformers with the intent of taking the copper windings and the oil. And the impact of this on business is that we lose almost $1 million for every transformer that we lose, because the opportunity cost of generating sales is lost. So far, we've arrested 3 individuals, one in Mosocho, who was found carrying 10 liters of transformer oil and a postpaid meter. We also nabbed a scrap dealer in Oyugis who had some copper windings, and we have evidence that these copper windings came from a transformer, which might have been vandalized with or without the region. And there was a 3rd person in Marani who was also arrested with KPLC materials.